Sharon tell that he got here look now. You have here a jelly. So I feel a bit like cozy. I don't know.
Like brother, the senior one, wait, talk to me when I play audio. Now he born.
Brother, what did tell you about bien Abi?
Obiene. Yes, Obiene. He may tell me when with that guy get picking. Mama Sharon like prick pass the children. Now two things. Now another saga white as so. Now I want to beat Mama Sharon boyfriend. Yes. If I beat that one would call out to order.
Yeah.
Now through that one so now we go fit remove gold the comma for that ass. Because we'll mess. I'll begin from tomorrow now I'll begin to mess that one up. Boom back way. Okay, pa. You know the shame of God. Woman when they date, he lost his daughter last year. The only surviving son when they in life right now, not they play or guy, they fuck woman way in your children, they play, not the shame of God. Now the beat one call they beat you be that one now. Where till you did that woman life for? Now Toto. Where till me rock pa? Where till me rock pa? Now Pekus, Mama Sharon Pekus sweet rich like that or God. Where make you not even call that woman to order say, "La woman love." Settle with the only picking way you get. Make peace. If I would this woman come out since there for me, they say if you're doing a white or ya wa wesi wala wo and we no gije dania wala wa go men you be me. Mama Sharon come and say I thought say me dey help and beg you picking now. We go the year. You as the man, you just did there. You dey knock Mama Sharon in and children know they play. You are my next target. Because my saga they rotate. Me wa gboma. But I go say me Mizh Golden obawa ya doni. Because that one not even they listen to me and listen very good. Obawa ya doni. So let me take. I just the show now some kind of things. Sharon trusted her friend. Mizh Golden, where were you when they do rain is falling? Okay.
Okay, where is it going to stay?
This is Sharon.
Okay.
Patience Izzy, Mama Patience Izzy in holiday.
Mas when paparazzi starts, this one.
Mizh Golden, where were you? Bring a video like this, like Tiri. I dey see comment like Enogie, you are going too far. When they bring Juju paper for my mama, they not go too far. I don't know say Mizh Golden bring Juju paper for my mother-in-law. He bring for my mother last month. Okay, we don't know the one way now they do me. Now when me go can't do now, una can't know say Enogie is going too far. When Mizh Golden bring Juju paper for me, she not go too far. Which quarter we get? Which quarter we don't? On the desert in my way, we don't have the devil. Giz Jeme. He say I call a mother where God will punish. He go no soon. He say I call Mama Sharon. When I bring Juju people for me for. He pray for my mom. He pray for my mother-in-law. She not go too far. Get her for mind. All the things that they do to them because Mizh Golden they bully Mama Sharon. Yes, because if she not give Mizh Golden the opportunity to stay that house, you know see why fite is my mama. As far as say Sharon way a Golden you wa not tear boni yeme. Kewogi me. As this aga does reach now, thank God I never saw Sharon children and I can never do it. As you don't bully my pikin rich now, I can never insult Sharon's children. God forbid. I don't feel vex like that. And I want to beg people with insult Sharon's children before we continue this thing. I want to beg when I beg. More than swear for Mama Sharon. For her to insult Mama, for her to insult Sharon's children, why am I beg Sharon? For giving that idiot the Wi-Fi to do that nonsense. Okay. Now, let's go. This was Sharon in the swimming pool. This was Sharon in the swimming pool. See me,
Mimi, say cheese. Say hi to the camera. Say hello. Hello.
Wow, gift
this place is beautiful. It's beautiful.
I'm a rose. What have you? I'm the money gone. What are you?
Mimi, look at camera. Look camera. Mimi can swim, oh, my swimming girl.
Thank you, Jesus, baby.
My girly. My swimming. My girly.
Hello.
Oh, see you swimming.
Yeah.
Mimi is swimming alone. Can your baby ever? Can your baby ever? Wow. My Mimi is swimming alone.
You say, we let the dead rest in peace, Abi. But Mizh Golden, they use the dead children. Yeah? Tell they do pepper them for patience easy. I really like one call away call Mama Sonia this morning say you dey do pepper them with Sharon children to patience easy. Before you call there Sharon children, like patience easy was there before you. Mizh Golden no one let the dead rest in peace. But me like what woman, why be say if they do now go dey pain now? But now they do now they happy. Why be say that my own they laugh pass? And my wife.
Well, as an
Sing it again, honey. As an Emo manu sagi agbon iwo last go. Nonsense. Mizh Golden. Oh no.
Imagine say now you say person like your friend.
The baby papa.
As a mother, they do that, they clap for her. They clap.
I must away Mama Kevin. Another man break Mama Kevin heart. We have that fish Enogie. Say it deny. Anyway.
No camera.
Never play on this one finish.
Yes, so my baby is swimming.
Okay.
Baby.
That one. Okay.
So many people around.
This one I Mimi for the patience easy. Say I Mimi soft for you. Thank you, Papa UK. Say I Mimi soft for you. Then they bring Mimi lad here, when you dey patience easy ass. See Sharon Okpamen as fine. See better clean environment. See better environment. Okay.
Hello. How are you guys? My name is Michelle.
Sharon first daughter.
Are you happy today?
With patience easy.
I'm very happy today.
You say boy the girl. You say boy papa
I'm very
where.
happy today.
It's so you can carry papa where you carry papa
I'm very
face.
happy today.
Ogbon ya gbiye Sharon meje mechane. Wa vie Sharon asun.
Yeah, Michelle is so happy today.
Go Simon. Hold it, okay?
So, wow, this is so happy today.
Okay. Where was you? Now, my people. These one are the one with Franco Mizh go. They give my Sharon money. Shit. See my Sharon. The picture of me when I post. See Mizh Golden. See. Yeah. If I come as well. This is the same idiot where he sought Sharon when he was alive. He called Sharon names. He said Sharon na Ashawo. He said Sharon na pro. Not the way not call Sharon when Sharon was alive. Not the 500 euro or son. Not the iye. Mama, please go inside. Here, kuna. Not a year. That is life. Okay. Now, patience easy. You go tell us the reason why you don't want to date this person, because this video he may have one video now very. Money with the thing so Sharon take. Money won't take in so Sharon. Her mother shop on. Iye-eki. My patience is I don't know that they watch this program. Franco Mizh will post Patience Izzy and Sharon yesterday for a war. Why Akma you don't let the dead rest in peace? Hello. I do, my sister. How you doing?
I think good morning.
You
Happy weekend.
Yeah, thanks to you. I did live stream on.
Well, 10 o'clock this evening. My new way is there.
You did live video.
Okay, yeah, one of your fan ways they watch it for you. I didn't send out to me for send my inbox. Yeah.
I beg again. You feel come on my TikTok.
I did not want to go live for Enogie. No one go live. I will go. No fit talk for you.
Okay, I want to ask you questions. That's why I call you.
Okay, not
first time, my sister. You know, say since all this way, I just they look you want to say that they drag you, not to they never talk about you. But damn, yo, when I share this video, I beg the phone they last speaker.
no problem. Okay, they last speaker. I beg with your fans. Don't get my fans now. Happy weekend.
Okay. Thank you so much, and we greet you too. Patience is the greet to now. We give it. I go speak pidgin. Please, guys. If you not get rules, when they give me, rules, we have your man. See, I want to ask you one question. Why you don't want to date these children life? Patience, easy. After all the love.
Which children?
Sharon
Okay,
children.
you ask me a question, just stay specific.
Sharon children.
Because people they record and they need to know what you're
Not be lie.
Yeah, so then.
Not be lie. Who we media.
A lot of videos.
Thank you, happiness.
Okay, ask me the question again.
Why you don't want the Sharon children life?
Okay.
A very
That
simple.
question, you forgot. Okay, thank you very, very much for that question. Today, I think today, the reason why I want to answer you based on say Sharon a person will like you when she dey alive.
The tango say you know.
And most times when things they go on, now your platform she for they always they talk.
Exactly.
That's what she hold you.
Me and Sharon not just dey. Na money I come from. But me and Sharon not see before she die. Not me say me and I not dey close. Patience is a weakness.
Even the time when me and you they quarrel, if I talk about you, she always try to always tell you say no, okay, not be like she's always trying to.
Yeah.
she's like that. So the reason why I go answer this question, I think now.
That patience is easy.
Let me just thank you for that question because this is what I was expecting presenters to do.
Okay.
Okay.
I think say you not going to talk, say, but I just summoned the courage to ask you.
Because people are bullying me, bullying my friends, bullying my family. Nobody has even called me to even ask me what actually happened. You guys have been beating around the bush. And today now, you have finally done what a presenter should do. Presenter do. We all of them, they walk one way, not supposed to be like that. Maybe I'm not.
Yes.
So now let's go to my friend's children, Sharon's children.
Yes.
Why? When you say why I don't want to be there, you're not making my own like that's not right. Okay, you say why am I not going there?
Yes, why you not call they go there?
Because I might not be in their life physically, but every day there's no day I don't pray for them. So I think I'm seeing their life. But maybe physically they don't see me. Okay, I will be blunt with you. None of them talking today know Sharon more than me.
I know.
So when I see them talking, it's not a competition. No. I'm not a compete with anybody. But Sharon was a friend. At a particular time, she became a sister. That him and Temi Magbe. As family. So Sharon told me a lot about where she comes from. And the reason why I am running for my dear life. People don't know I'm running. Because let's go to the beginning of this issue.
But you speak pidgin. You speak pidgin.
Okay, me and Sharon.
Everybody here be new.
Me and Sharon talk a day before the day she go coma that evening.
Okay.
She come tell me say I know say you dey travel because normally every summer me and her dey always travel. I dey always carry her come up for house. Because sometimes your mental health is very important. We'll go enjoy ourselves.
Not the year, la mudiao. Not the year she dey talk. Yeah, no be lie. Not the year. Yeah, we are. Only. Well, when they go to one, they not buy. Oh yeah, continue, patience.
Okay, we always come up for house go holiday. So for that year, she can't get belly. And she get belly. I suppose go that holiday around July. She can't fear because they had complication with her pregnancy. And maybe not quick talk. So she can't say she don't follow me go holiday because she follow me go holiday. Near your beer river. I can say, but me want travel. She can't say no, me I wait. She's born first. Who me want leave her for? What if she can't born for my back? So now make that holiday, I not come go for July. Now the when imagine you around that kind of early July, come carry when she's born. August I can't take holiday. I not go since years. Normally I dey go holiday for July, not be August. So she come also can she come born. She born the day before she born that day. Now my house she did that evening. Mama no wait here.
Talk loud or more for the year you.
Okay. The mama no wait here around 11 was son of class. She be want sleep my house. Maybe na my house now she for maybe a woman me and Aproko. But only one at the end of the year, they yakba. Or be outside will be any yakba where Maria in case of what I did, it was very happy. You never know how it's here. Many people here, one year, Dorotina, but I want to say at Siako. A lot of people called her that day, people calling her to congratulate her. So, for also, the children's life, no at Taba. So, Sharon, if you after 2 weeks, and now went for holiday, he might make 5 minutes.
Now was a pidgin English or speak pidgin.
Okay, Sharon born, I can't still wait. After like 2 weeks before I can't go my holiday. The day before she entered coma, that evening, me and her talk. In my one talk. So when we talk, she told me say she want to go do photo shoot. And I said, very good. I'm not good. She said she will wait for me. And I said, you don't need to wait. You need to go do the photo shoot. And I said, send me your IBAN. May I send you money? Now me go pay for the photo shoot. She can't say, okay, go say my friend. She not there yet now. Basically, very appreciative. If you do anything for her, she's always very happy. Even if you give her €1, she will be thankful. Like say now 1 million, now you give her. So I go the holiday. I never even reach where I go. I go on my way. The following day, Mama called me. Mama knows that I go holiday. I say, well, the situation is very critical. You know that halfway, Enogie, I need to buy tickets again. The hotel booking, My ticketing, everything wasted. Me and my mom need to come back the following day. Now tickets now, the buy tickets in now. It can't be very expensive to say I supposed to stay where I take. Maybe I must finish my holiday before I come. But I couldn't because who I want to follow this at the holiday they go is they say they come. I had to come back to Radio. I came back and because hospital get time, they say go to the hospital afternoon and evening, the time. So time never reach. I go to my mama, but she said the bus still they move on. Everything was still going on. So I can't say maybe the situation not really critical. Maybe now make the mama still the stay. So one time for hospital reach, I go hospital, she said everything critical. My friend don't even the periods and nothing. Meanwhile, when she called me, I not there in Italy. I call need to call my younger brother. Call one of our friends they can bath baby. After we on a day, this is on the coma. Now those when they take back. My brother they polo.
Who call you say Sharon? Who call you say Sharon de coma?
Now his mama call me say Sharon de coma.
Good.
Now mama call me say Sharon de coma. The court log still there. I'll be bring a coma for us. So that I can give you things.
Okay, I want to know your year and say my mother. Okay, let's go.
Yes, I can call that friend with the help and bath baby. That one where she was not even around that period. She traveled, come they follow the bath baby. I can call that one say where you there? Sharon de coma. She say she not know. Say she see Sharon this morning. Say Sharon de coma. So that one even shocked. Say Sharon de coma. I say they go Santa Maria. So that one say come out from where she take fast. She take taxi. Buy taxi, take Golden. My brother take Bologna. My brother drive from Bologna, come Radio. The brother also they go up the Congo meet for hospital. So this time around me, they ask my brother, say, "What's the alpha? He could tell me say they say he just told me say doctor first ask them say who and Sharon get problem for us. Now she and her husband they quarrel. Now they say her husband not there yet. Waiting make her. Something really something trigger her. Now make that thing happen to her. Something triggered her. Well, I cannot go. You know, let me talk because I don't know the situation of this way happen. So when I come back the next day, I see the mom. Everything they go on for me. So I even try to ask her questions. Who should they follow talk? Waiting happen based on waiting my brother tell me say doctor ask them. She go talk go this side. So I didn't really get the clear picture from her. So when I reached out, I say she take critical condition. They don't already put some on her head. They start to drink the blood. Now I carry my mom follow body. I say once the doctor come. My mom is very good with this language. Because they will not visit doctor, see doctor the following day. Natana, the one with the doctor, the mother was still selling. She was still doing her business. So my mind was maybe not critical. So until one will come see doctor the following day, because that very day, the afternoon will go, and doctors already come in the morning, we will not visit them. Because the next day we go see doctor. Don't go see doctor. Doctor first, no say, we not even know say that particular word where we did. Now word like quarter to death, night be. So if he now God now the same person, according to what they write for the front of the hospital, say now only family members now they allow it. I mean not quick no. We don't quick then they say me na friend. And not then they say I'm a relative. So now nobody was staying with Sharon because normally for that board, everybody for there when they coma. All their family members they there. Either wife they there, papa they there, mama they there, husband they there. They were all there, but now Sharon was alone.
Jesus.
Because don't any feel and say we be friends, and they say they don't feel allow friend enter inside them.
Only Sharon was alone from where the rush Sharon come up for in Mama house.
Yes.
To the intensive care unit. They call it in English.
That one not be even intensive care. That one are almost now people where they wait to die. That they do for that word.
Okay, intensive care of heaven and earth. Okay. Okay. Intensive care of life and death unit. Okay.
So they get that word for them. Me not even quickly. Now when don't they go there now come they see those things from front of them. Because it's alone. But which kind of thing is this? So we're going there shifting turns like we'll just go and do everything. So
how they can't let you they enter? Since our family people they enter there.
Because they don't see anybody again. Now they they see now. So I told them I be friends. Say minute there with me. I showed them evidence. We'll be close friends. So they saw it. They don't let us they enter there. until hospital come say now, me not even know say na social dey come inside. After like the 10th day, it should be the 10th day after the 10th day, because normally somebody say na 10 days they group, but they still give us like 2 days after, because they want to see the family. Say they want to see the family. That's that. We call the mama, say they want to see you. Mama say anything they want to see, but I say they say if they don't see you, no problem. You need to come. That was the only reason why Madam Joy Dada Akenuri came to the hospital. During this process, now me be the errand care. She dey send me message. Imam one call, Obo one call, Pastor one call. Now me she dey send message to go.
I beg patience, Mudianeo. The mother of the child.
Me you continue talk, me you request now, I beg. Me you continue talk request. This thing is very, very interesting.
Me
you request.
Because now verse, I beg, you need to speak, I beg.
But the mother don't do loud.
You don't need to come on video.
Not for you keep mute like that.
Because now I want really ask, is the
Okay, you don't get speaker.
the speaker when I get on the, they connect to my phone.
He's supposed to call live. Me call.
Yeah, because we not a year now.
Suppose it would not audio, not video.
Okay.
Mama, no, I don't want to come on live. I don't want.
Mama,
they don't do.
they say that the year only.
And the year okay.
No manager, no manager. I don't want to come on live.
Merci, I will take one. Continue.
Because na Enogie, that make me to talk.
Okay. I better wait first. Make I slide this man. You know speaker now. Don't have a who. Don't have a who. When you have to me. Man. We are getting tomatoes somewhere. Why are you gifting no? Wamudia, na kodete yi. I want on no ga ya metale me do. Gari.
But they are saying that they say that they hear now.
Okay, they say that they hear. I been want make it go before, but it's okay. Since that they hear, it's okay. Let's say we'll continue. Go inside, go inside. Go. Yeah, go, mama. Go. Okay. It's in the distraction. You should go inside. No, la wowa.
Yeah.
You don't even know the get wowa. Yeah, go inside.
Go inside, please. Go and meet your sister.
Inside.
Okay? Go and meet your sister inside. Laura is inside.
Everywhere don't good now. Talk to me.
The reason why, sorry, say I take una time because I'm supposed to just go straight to the point, but I'm actually trying to make a point because people they.
So waiting mama Sharon can't do now. Wait, how many days Sharon don't spend for coma before that mama Sharon come see Piki for
10
coma?
days, 10 days.
Patience, do not lie because of the issue on grant. I just want to.
I'm not the lie.
Sharon don't spend.
Normally that word because we're even scared say as they demand for the mama, so maybe they want come out this thing for everybody.
You want come out that thing for your body, yeah. I get doctors for here where they watch. I get doctors here where they watch me.
Okay, so now 10 days and now 10 days and they allow people to take that place reach. So when they ask for the mama, I will come say, 10 days again like that. Maybe they want to remove them. Come be everybody they cry. You understand?
Okay.
So
Sharon was in coma for 10 days. Now only okay. How many of them they go before that 10 days?
Me and one of our friends we call about people. Then Golden actually, Dorothy Asubaja actually came after 6 days. Actually, come.
Okay, Golden came after 6 days.
Yes, I don't even know her. That was the. Let me say that was the third time of me meeting her face to face.
Okay.
I'll go her own side. Now you often talk this particular side.
Okay. Then Mama Sharon come after the 10 days. Start from there.
Yes. She came and she carried a baby come. So me not even know say because when we did now we tell the hospital the way some doctor come they look us. Remember I didn't know that they were social. I don't know. I think say they be doctor. So when they come back look the person could go their office, come be send a social office now we go. We reach there, follow the enter. The uncle was there, the one with Sharon Senior. He was around.
Yes.
So that one they speak Italo well. Then one other woman with the Riviera, and Mama Sharon friend. She was also there. So me, I was there.
Yes.
So they come they ask us questions, say who you be. I can't even lie. Say I be relative, like because now I can't fear. Maybe they not come go carry the baby. So they come say, okay, ask mother, I will say they manage. I can't say I go the help her if she they go work in the morning. She go drop the baby for me. She dey come as she carry her. Because when me dey stay, I can't put my document down. In brother put his document down. So like now, she get many assistants now. So there was no need for social to come in because people did help her. And okay, if I don't want to take those children life, will I go to that length?
No.
The question: will I go to that length of dropping my document down now? After everything.
Before you continue, the money I call for your mouth. That day when Sharon, they rush and go hospital, Mama Sharon not follow on that night.
According to her, she said an ambulance can't carry her. We don't know. I just see the question for you. Say why who rush and go hospital? She said an ambulance can't carry her. So me, I don't know.
Okay.
So I don't know. She not follow. Because she follow, she supposed to know the word where she did. She didn't go.
Okay.
She not follow to go. So after that social incident, we come up for there. Then they come and ask for Catella Clinical. And Mrs. sent me. I go down. Even say when they were ready, they say they don't give me because I don't be family. So now she go come ask for her. So this woman basically was sending me on errand up and down. I didn't bother because my hope was let someone just come back to life.
Yeah.
Because she has a very bright future. She get a lot of plans, so she get ahead for herself.
Yes.
So I don't really care. This period I was not even I know the drive now taxi I use up and down. I even go print 2 minutes. Me na white as I they use for this radio, not the use. Sometimes I don't like black. If you call them, they're not the quick pump. So most times I they deal with the white taxi. So like that, I was a very good person that time. She even told me the industry. The area I called it, the one that me go now when me quiz was with me during that process. I be say me she know what it happen. She go ask me say where mama is coming. So that one aside, if I don't want those children life, I will not do that for my family.
And you also said something during that process when Sharon did Kuma. You said Mama could send you spiritual stuffs, egg, and stuff. Can you go in details?
Enogie, wait. Somebody said once you are eating. Enogie, wait. Somebody said once you are eating. That's a very big lie. See these people. Enogie, I they watch you. I they look your comment section. Say once you are both eating, nobody can. That's a lie. I they go hospital all the time. My mother they follow me. Don't tell me that. They don't rush me go. My mother they carry me go hospital. So don't say what you don't know. So don't say what you don't know. My mother they follow me go. So don't say that. Say nobody can follow you. That's a very big lie.
No, see, if you must talk to me, forget about the comment section.
I know.
Wait till Mama calls me, you go up and do spiritually.
And okay, that one I don't. No, not be saying that spiritually. She only tell me say make I carry egg, knock out for 3 junction before junction. This one, that one. Now you just say touch my head, touch this one. Sharon head I mean. Then you got to touch Sharon head, this one. Now hospital, Mama, now you supposed to come do this thing by yourself. Not be me.
Wait first, wait. Mama Sharon tell you, may you go buy egg, may you use go to touch Sharon head.
Sharon head, yeah.
Go bust her for junction.
Yes, go bust her.
No.
Touch in hand.
No, you can't do that. No.
But she tell me say make I do, and then I say you no market that. All when they come for, if I reach there, I can born and then we have.
No, you are not supposed to do that. It is she that's supposed to do that. Now she's supposed to do it. Did you do this?
No, I'm not doing it.
Ah, thank God.
That place. If you go that place,
why go do it? Mama did iye-eki.
If you reach there, camera food there. That kind of if you do it, no problem with it. The only mama go fit do it.
And I wish you do it. Mama Sharon for use them against you say you go put work for a PKS for hospital, so now they talk.
Yes, camera food there. So I waiting you not go fit, you not go fit.
Iye-eki in a way.
And not one. So that life of those children, let's go to the major question because I don't only talk the beginning of everything, then come back to why I don't want the life of those children. Now me know more than 50 cents. I know I'm past all of them. When my friend they alive, I know how that woman they fetish. Yes, I say it. She's a fetish person. Very fetish.
She did do Juju well.
Well. I don't carry me and my friend. She go send my friend message say you wanna me. So go my very on here. I wanna seek her because someone give me up soon. When they drag me go send me that say make I go return Mimi. You know what I passed through for my house. Mimi fell sick. I couldn't fear. Apart from being sick, Mimi they used to my house. Mimi never one day fall for my bed. That very night, that night where Monica actually they drag me. Facebook say it's not making. You know that Mimi, if not beside not they play. Mimi fall on my bed that day.
You know that. I don't know wait. Come. Yeah, let's go, my sister. Continue.
So, I did not say now, person with
the fees. Not my sister.
You listen to me. That very night, when they drag me for social media, I know what I passed through from my house. Enogie, if I not do you bad, you know if you do me bad.
That's that one I confirm.
If I not do you bad because.
Oh, say like me, Sharon. Ogologa bo, ogologa ze. Etu me mi ropa because your beer. I know say she not be a very person now.
I know what I know.
But imo ahe. So na mo gbe.
I pass through. So when they come tell me to make I go return. You listen to me. When they say make I go return me, when they come they drag me. Then one of the sister where they Belgium, now one see come say me I return the pikin this one. I know what she tell us that they won't go our house.
Okay, guess is Mama Sharon get sister for Benjo.
Yes, her name now Samede.
He tell you may return pikin.
Yes, he called me.
But enough in time Mizh Golden may carry the children enter house, may they not go the Sagara.
Now then they back. I know they fear them. Now then they back go Dorothy. Hey, that's here go.
Dorothy, my sister, you know say they will continue here.
So when they tell me, I know what I passed through. When I return that picking go house, I don't want to make some people wait there. Those people were there. They're my witness. I know that woman tell me. Me very no say that she because when she begin the when Monica they talk Sharon life history when me not even know as a friend, I know say that the mama I tell them. Or maybe that is sister will be with the Belgium. But those stories are they are first-hand stories that come from the family. You get? Just be like now, as the saga of Okpamen now, those are first-hand information from the family. Not be strange and know those things. Now family I know where they give out to all these presenters so they say they saga the body. So I return that picking go as that day. You know, give me I record them, I get the record. But I never give out to anybody. I know what this woman tell me that I know how she stayed do that day.
You get the audio.
Not the audio, now video.
Video, okay. Video.
I'm not give anybody. That one is my own personal thing. I know what she tell me that day. I know I say like like that. This one a woman will be say, you drag your own picking come up for us for 3 good months with newborn baby. They find out where she want. She not get where to sleep.
Ew.
The only crime where I commit as a friend. Don't remember my lesson. Now because I carry her into my house, that was my biggest crime. That was my biggest crime.
No regret her. No regret her, my sister. God will continue to bless you. No regret her.
And they see mothers they talk online and they look and they laugh. So your own pikin, even if say maybe a man be the weapon na epo omi ya re continue to ya gbe ni ya mission ya me better go to say ni ya ni ma ku ya see ni ya. Obi we beer your pikin go born your grand pikin wey just dey a month old but December inside cold eroni you get the mind to remove them from house.
Una dey hear Mama Sharon drive Sharon and the pikin wey dey a 1 month old comot for house. Una dey hear
my good no go kill me, no go kill anybody. Okay, that one na my friend.
Una dey hear una wey dey pity his mama. Wow.
My friend she not call me again. She call me. Where they happen? Say she go to Torino because she get step brother for Torino. She get cousin for Torino. Waiting there, they say mama driver come up for us. Because I with newborn baby, he say yes. Why? Because of heater. Enogie, because of heater. Sharon say you know what make mama they use charcoal heater for the baby. Making mama they use make go buy normal electric heater because baby too small. That's charcoal heater. You know go feed baby. You know it may not go let that baby nose. Now she take talk say okay, make she go. Mama say lie. Say no the green. You know one pee for your house. But later on for the life, you know what pee. You go to sleep your picky house. That same heater problem. You can't go sleep in picky house. Say in house not the heating. Want go sleep in picky house where heater dey. But you forget say you drive your own grand picky and your picky come up for house because of heater.
Jesus.
As she called me say she take station. She want buy ticket. Now say come my side. Because baby get appointment. What if you get appointment tomorrow? What you want? You come from Torino to the Ross, come Juju Emilia. And she say, before she come now, go beg my mama. Talk to her. See what's in there. My mama say, no problem. Make she come because my mom now one kind of person. Even if she don't want, but because of me, she always say, let go. You gonna say my mama no mama son. My mama no pass me.
One gift me.
My mama no mama son no pass me. Because my mama son no fair work for the same fabric before. So she didn't know her. That's what I say, come my house. Say, they talk, they go for social media saying, so me, no, they. No, get me, you ask me, because no be saying, me, they forward. I get no, they talk.
Okay, my sister. Now, because of misunderstanding, where Sharon, Mama, and Sharon get, they make her drive Sharon and the grand picking of 1 month old come aside for coal.
Yes.
Okay.
Before that code own, when the newborn Mimi, as they carry Mimi come house, fire come enter their house. I did it.
Fire enter Mama Sharon house.
Yes, for their bedroom. I don't know the connection with those illegal connection where they connect for Europe. Washing machine fire come day. That evening where they bring Mimi come house. So that was the day where the social not follow me come house for that. That means that one where they talk say Sharon come follow me stay from day one. Not true. Now because that fire went inside their house for that November, now she say come my side. Then after some days, so she can't give them hotel, make them stay. Before that hotel, so say I tell you one thing. The truth is this: Mama Sharon fed the my mama for when they work for the same fabric. Let I tell now the story. Mama Sharon and my mom work for the same fabrica. My mom was their capo.
So what is the capo? What is a capo?
Capo means the head of their section.
Okay, your mom was the head of Mama Sharon's section.
Yes. Mama Sharon go connive with people. People don't tell me this story for Radio Emilia without my mama never tell me. She go gather people follow body. They want they fight my mom. So this fight don't day for long. So that me never know Sharon that time. You they get? Mama they use her motor to they carry the Mama Sharon they go walk. Sharon, like she never even get that sense. She was even fed. Oh God. So me not even know say my mom very know this woman. And when Sharon begin the entire year, my mom not even tell
More than they gift, oh, no rose, no cap, no money gone. What gifty? And they give una life updates every day. I know they repeat one word for my last stream. What gifty? Continue.
So all those quarrels don't take down, but my mom never told me because she don't want to make her use that mind to follow Sharon. For the fact say the mama not be good person. So no me say make me come the follow the pikin. They fight. You get? So that fight, so when Sharon come my life, now me I start from the beginning, I blame myself. Sharon, I'm sorry, I blame myself because from the very first day where I meet Sharon from Nigeria for the first time, not be here for good Sharon, and Nigeria for one. One of our actresses, I don't want to call her name. When she got them say she's a serious, when I come see her for the first time, Enogie, people they talk say they get money. I say they don't get money.
And their body, their attitude and character.
And where did they stay, Abi?
Where did they stay?
The first time I met my friend for Mama house, I shake my head. I suppose wrong come up when you Mama, when person they get money, and they talk say they feed person, and say they clothe person. This my house like this. So Sharon never. Sharon, I'm sorry, but she never want to bet. Mama not there. She dey listen to you now. Hey, oh, when my day one Mickey Lagwana one day, one latte, not buy a coffee sauce one day. They are told they will not see them,
Meaning all the time you have known Sharon before she finally died, all the time she has spent in your house, Sharon has never used a dime. What about the vacation?
I not regret her, my brother.
What about the vacation? What are they go to? Now is it sponsor a vacation?
Me, everything all expense on me. And maybe the poor person where they talk say, I don't feel poor for my life because
I can never be poor.
I'm not too get, but I dey okay with what I get. But that narrative where
why you turn off conversation? Ernie. Yeah, continue now. Now let's give the feed they gives me. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. So that is the what people are painting now up and down. Say some will say now we wrong. You see me like person they wear with you where you take know me as a Enogie. You see me like the person they do those lifestyle. I don't have do one. Now what I get, I do okay. Even if I just want jack, I get. It's usual. If you like me, they laugh me, but on my own. How about borrow friends?
Yes.
I never borrow anything from any friend before. My friends they work. Now if I don't borrow, maybe the contact I don't borrow before. Anywhere was some okay. Or was some okay? Kakabo. He borrow. One. So all those things that they talk.
Okay. Okay, fine. It's okay. I want to ask you another question again. So because of say she did fetish, she's diabolical, now make you no one go visit those children.
I don't want to go close to them in Enogie. I know it's how they tell you. I know it's how they tell you. I don't want to go close to her, not be the children.
Is it true, say the Dorothy no soon go Agmon go Yasubaja? Is it true, say call you? No, I gotta take care of these children.
No, she not coming. We gotta take care of these children. Around June, she actually placed a call to me. The real that's so Sharon picking one complete 1 year. And I said, just 1 year. I said, no. So she want go there. I said, she feel go because you offend the woman. Me, I not offend her. She feel go back because really she offended the woman.
If you people throw maths to patients easy again, I know it's not be all my fans. Not be all my fans they do am, but me some of my fans will feel they commit. I know say now some of my haters they here too. Honey, bring the comment section back. I dey hear you.
Make them comment. If all those things that they talk go reach my body, if they don't ever do one for person before. All of the way they comment, they even get answer they say. I'm sure they don't want person to ask for 3 months stay.
Thank you, Lord.
So they sit down, they pull and they pay bills. They go fit do one. What they know fit do. Person go do one and come begin the anything they like me they talk. I don't really care. No, I don't care. At this point where I did so, I can't even the verse. But waiting my crime, say I make friend. That be my crime.
Yeah.
Let me be the only friend wey Sharon get?
No.
Why be say na be they drag?
Because you and Sharon was so close when she was alive.
But she not close to that people also. Now me she dey close to. Okay, we're so close. Why she alive? Okay, that make they call they drag me. Also say waiting.
No.
Because they feel say maybe. I don't know. Why did they drag me? What did they tell me why they drag me?
I'm very good. That is very.
Now you tell me why they drag me.
No. See what they make them drag you. What it make me feel? See they drag you. They are dragging you because they feel. Say what you they explain to us right now. Say you they forge down. That's the simple truth. It is only wise people like us and some of my fans where God will bless. We don't still see videos of you and Sharon on different occasions. They go believe say it's what they talk so. They are just being jealous of you. That's all. Yes. Because when my master they drag you, say before I continue. Is it true say Sharon can they give you baby papa money for Africa? I don't remember, so that's why I ask. Not vessel. I don't say I don't call you before I enter live. I mean not call they say I don't give what you do now. Not vessel all these questions where they ask you.
I don't get truthfully, I don't want me to support me.
Okay.
I don't want me to favor me.
Okay.
Now let you have it talk, and I think if I talk to them, that will be the end. No miss any question. Even from your comments, I don't look your comments, I don't look you again. Therefore, no, they distracted.
I don't bring them back.
Even from the comment section, now big questions for me, I don't get problem.
Yes.
You get? So not favor me. Don't look me like saying
that. Is it true?
I see wrong, I always say sorry. Sorry, Gboma, my brother. You understand?
I mean, I know where now. Is it true say Sharon they travel, they go Africa, go they give you baby papa money?
The question funny. That's a very big fat lie. Because
how do you know?
I wish I know, not my friend. I had the guy that was now. So first, let me talk about the boy. The boy na person way before Sharon Noah, he don't build house.
Okay.
He get house of his own with that's about 3 apartments. The family day, your apartment day, mama apartment day, then in Simply's apartment day.
Wow.
On a hostel, the BIU.
Speak PGO.
Okay, he get hostel for BIU. He get house already. Not be tenant he be. And then when Sharon Noah was driving a Lexus 350.
Okay.
And then must he buy iye-eki joiner. Presently, na iye-eki, and he even get hotel.
Okay.
That he always go China for business and coming back. Then also he stay for Lagos, Lekki. If he come back.
Wow, meaning the guy a big boy.
He dey okay. He's not that rich, saying a billionaire, but he's a millionaire. He dey okay. Not be person where they suffer. Not be person where they feed from hand to mouth. So I don't know what people they talk that thing for. Some they call him small boy. It's not a small boy. Person where they in 30s, a small boy. But the fact that the boy they feel enjoy himself, they feel use better cream, they live well.
Then they call him small boy. The amount what they're doing for us, wait till the amount don't give them. Not be Euro for year, women they crack, they say, my husband don't leave me. It's children.
Women must not marry ancestors.
Single mother wait for Europe who cause not be mere cause for their body. That's why not the saga single mother again. The woman wait for Komozwo put for us, not be single mother of different father.
Okay.
Komozwo, the one we put for us, so you not senior now with 15 years.
15 years.
Then they thought say it's love. Even if say Sharon senior the boy.
What the boy they do? Now therefore say they go.
Who want you? Person wey dey China.
Wait, Enogie. I dey say Sharon smart, but they don't see the boy birth certificate.
No, so people get baby face so. Not be so that my sister be honey. That my sister will bring me come. That way that they go 50 years. If you ask her how many years they, he go say that one reach 33 years.
Enogie. All women must not marry ancestors.
Exactly. About what tell you?
So.
Come my sister, I just say get baby 50 or you know 50. Next 2 years go, they 50 years.
That love story don't get to because nobody don't see the first passport. You never see certificate. That much more.
Nah, jealousy, not back there. Just go straight to the question. You said no, Abi. Okay.
Yes, nah.
Sharon, they say Sharon take some money we take buy a house. Was she saving the money in your hand?
Yeah, so that no, not in my hand. Sharon did not even have the Sharon house. No, because if they buy house for Europe, not be say you just pay cash once. She was saving because very hardworking woman. Even the boy said give her small. Not be say give her plenty. Because she I remember when she find money to pay for the house. When we move over, when we borrow, when we pay back.
Okay.
So all those things now.
Some people say why Sharon go seek Aduro from Germany when the baby papa get money. When he did okay.
Okay. That Aduro, me I not even sign her. Because me I not even know say na Aduro. She not go to, not the Aduro she go to. She wanted to go, she wanted another life. You know say inside the first day.
Okay, go that papa may take on German territory.
Yeah, take a passport.
Yeah, say, you know say some friends will say come by side. And so Germany, so they pay higher than this. So that one. Okay, that one, my brother. Okay. That one not there now. She was laughing at me. But then I said, she not go. She said, no, you didn't miss me, no. Don't worry, I'm going to go back. All those kind. She was also, no, I don't say you go miss me. You don't want to make her go. No, I said, which one be no? Which one go to? You don't feel bad house.
Yes.
You know, you don't feel bad house. Where they did now? That one when me they say. Yeah, my mother, we take for this time, make you not go. But my mama support, and my mama support her, make she come on. I support her, make she come on.
I heard that her mother also borrow her some money. How true is that? Or you not aware of that one?
See, when Sharon was leaving for Germany, Sharon needed some money. And she needed money. Because I asked your mama now, and she said, yeah, man. But even if Sharon need the money, take Paul up.
Yeah.
If not, if you're not even put a house for rent. Because I can't say you didn't go somewhere, you don't know how it be. You want to put your house for rent. She can't say she needs money. If your mama borrow her some money, she need money where she wants. She go they put her house on rent, go they find money.
Oh yeah.
They say you borrow her money, they exchange phone. Sharon give her a phone.
Call for
she go buy.
Una dey see wetin mama dey do pikin.
Na phone where they open. You give her. You go buy the other small phone.
Jesus.
You carry television. Speaking for me for Benin, I think say omoruyi I got your very honey.
Jesus.
I got your very honey. Carry television. You give her, then you get now €1,000. Now you give her.
You wait, they say not be batting. I bet Mojo, I want to block this person. We say not be batting. My mama.
Maybe not Dorothy or not.
My mom, if my mommy give me something today, you know, call the house for collateral. You are a useless person. Continue.
So, I don't already answer your question now. So that's what I want to say happen.
Okay. So, for now, I think you don't answer my questions. Okay, now.
I want to just drop my attention now. Wait. There's one. This teller not be. I should not be Mama Sharon's sister.
You know what's in my sister. You mind letting me first la love for la because girl tower.
Madam Stella.
Naomi. Mujani not let me for there. Wait, Mama. I need office. Oh, I need office. You need the office. No, only office in there. I need office. Oh, Naomi love. God bless you. What Benestar man with day break? Benestar man. Where say, you remember that 6 money gone. If I get 6 money gone, I'll enter A1. Yes, A1. And you're offending her. Talk to me. I hear you. Because we'll soon go on break.
I don't know this person, but I think maybe my mama Sharon sister already because she say stop defending the boy. The boy, Martin. I know I won't put this comment out, but it's disgusting. See, people will say they love somebody. They say, before ma, you say, the boy denying baby, you say the truth easy. You work in the end when I'm waiting for photo as a people. Even at Tawe, be careful now. This question, so when this person they ask, tell her you know the answer now.
I don't see the question. I believe I say you screenshot her. What did tell her the ask?
At the comment, I send that to you.
Send that for me, I beg. Guys, before then, let's take a flashback at you get question what I'll ask you.